Hello, my name is Ryan Kessel, your Tampa Bay new construction and lagoon specialist. We're in the DR Horton section of Sandal Key, Hernando County's first lagoon community, and we're going to be touring the Elston floor plan. Let's go check it out. As you walk in, your whole first level is living space. So it's a wide open concept. You have a kitchen. So they have it set up over here in this model. This is like the living room, kitchen, huge center island. You have quartz countertops over here, huge closet pantry. So you have space on both sides. Off your living space, you have room to put a big dining room table. And back in this corner, you do have a powder room to service all your guests. And then coming out around this corner, you do have another storage closet here. I'm gonna hook around the corner here into the kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is you have this little extra counter space and cabinets over here, a nice size center island, breakfast bar seating, and you have more cabinet space and countertop space over here. Before we go upstairs, I just want to point out this also does have like a little coat closet. Put a vacuum and your brooms in there. We're going to head upstairs and check out the rest of the house. Is straight ahead, you have this wide open loft space. On the model, they have like a little desk and a chair set up for the kids maybe to do homework, a little home office area. Right now, we're going to head into the owner's suite. That's going to be the first room coming up the stairs. And this is a really good size owner's suite here. A king size bed. They have some large furniture in here. Two big nightstands. What I love about this is the two windows off to the side, bringing in all the natural light. Now on to the ensuite bathroom. You come in, you got quartz countertop, dual sinks on this vanity, and you're gonna have two different linen closets. You have one here, another linen closet, and a walk-in shower. And don't forget the private office. Coming out of the ensuite bathroom, wait until you see this walk-in closet. Look how huge this is, and it even has a window. All right, we're gonna head right. So this will be the back of the home. You have a full bathroom up here. So this bathroom, you have a tub shower combo. Nice quartz countertops, dual sink vanity. We're gonna hook out here into the laundry room, which is located upstairs. Now with this builder, you get all your appliances. So the washer and dryer come included in the price. And we're gonna head into one of the secondary bedrooms. This one looks like it's set up for a little girl. It's kind of pink. They have a lot of furniture, a desk off to the side, and the closet. We're leaving the back of the home upstairs, coming across to the front. This is where bedroom number 3 and 4 will be. They have this set up as like a little nursery for a little baby. Closet and a window in the very front, bringing in all the natural light. Last but not least, the 4th bedroom, hooked the corner here. Another good sized kids room. We'll call this the splash room. And yes, it has its own closet. And another window bringing in all the natural light. Coming back out to the loft. This could be set up however you want. This could be like a little secondary living room for the kids, a little game room. If you're interested in touring this home or the Sandal Key community, give me a call, 352-488-9393. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.